With the help of videocoach, you can easily create a fully fledged presentation from your tagged and analysed video sequences. As with tagging and analysis, a specially designed interface is available for this purpose. In the presentation view, you can group your sequences into different chapters, add slides, graphics or external videos, and of course also integrate drawings or animations into your clips. Finally, you can present your analysis to your team directly from the presentation mode. But of course, you can also create a final MP4 video that can be played with any video player. You can add individual tags to a chapter of your presentation from the tagging view as well as from the analysis view. To do this, right-click on a relevant clip in the tag bar and then select Add to Chapter. You can also add a selection of several tags from the analysis view to a new chapter of your presentation. In the presentation view, you can organise and finalise your presentation. Here you will find the chapters bar below the video player, which contains all functions that you have already learnt in our tagging and analysis tutorials. Next to the video player, as usual, you will find the list of tags that the currently selected chapter contains. On the right-hand side, all features and information of your currently selected tag are displayed. All these sections and their functions will now be explained in further detail. In the chapters bar, you determine the order of the chapters in your presentation. To do this, click on a chapter and either move it to the intended position using the grey arrows, or remove it completely from the presentation using the delete button. You can edit further options within a chapter, for example adding repetitions or slow motion replays, by selecting the chapter in question with a right click. In the menu that subsequently opens, you can also export a single chapter directly to an MP4 file. You will find the content of the selected chapter in the tags column. In this column, you can play sequences directly by double-clicking or changing their order via drag and drop. You can remove a tag from the current chapter by dragging it out of the column with the mouse and releasing it. By right-clicking on the tag, you open the familiar tag menu for editing or for instant export. Of course, you can also add coloured slides with text and information, as well as external media such as pictures or videos to a chapter in the presentation view. To do this, click on the grey button below the tag bar and then select the media type to be added before individually configuring it and adding it to the chapter. On the right hand side, you will also find the familiar tag info column as known from the analysis view. It shows you all important information such as the allocated categories or the notes that you have made for individual clips. For the final export of your presentation, you click on the clapperboard button. In the subsequent menu, you can select which chapters to include and whether a title slide, drawings or tag information should also be incorporated. Once all settings have been adjusted, you can export the video to save it as an MP4 file on your computer and present it from there. If you want to conduct your presentation directly from videocoach, you can maximize and minimize the video image by double-clicking on it. In this way, you benefit directly in videocoach from the chosen structure of your chapters, but you can also play back individual clips multiple times according to questions or comments you may receive from your audience, and also add drawings and animations in real time to enable a better understanding.